Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones LG Tone Free Fit with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here click add Bluetooth and Bluetooth again. After that open the charging case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if this LED light not blinking blue, this one, just press and hold on your left or right earbud. Here we go, now it's starting blinking, and click on it at the device list. Then click done, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!